Leg weakness starts here. Seniors over 60, add these 7 foods now. If you're over 60, you've probably noticed small changes in your legs. Maybe climbing stairs feels heavier, or standing from a chair takes more effort than before. This isn't just getting old, it's a clear warning sign from your body. Scientists call it sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. And studies show it can start as early as your late 50s. Once it begins, it accelerates, quickly leading to poor balance, increased fall risk, and even reduced independence. But here's the good news. Research confirms that the right foods can slow, stop, and even reverse this process by feeding your muscles exactly what they need to rebuild and stay strong. Today, we're going to break down 7 powerful foods every senior over 60 should add to their diet right now, and why each one works at the cellular level. We'll also uncover the best ways to prepare them, when to eat them for maximum absorption, and the key combinations that turn simple meals into muscle-protecting medicine. Let's start with one of the most underestimated muscle boosters hiding in your kitchen right now. Number 7. Lentils. Lentils are one of those foods most people think of as basic or even boring. But for seniors over 60, they can quietly become one of the most important staples for maintaining leg strength. At first glance, you might underestimate them. They're small, inexpensive, and often tucked away in the back of the pantry. But each serving is loaded with plant-based protein, about 18 grams per cooked cup. And this protein is made up of amino acids that your muscles desperately need to rebuild and repair. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at synthesizing protein into muscle tissue, which is one reason why sarcopenia can progress so quickly after 60. Lentils help fill this gap without the heavy, saturated fats found in some animal protein sources. They are also rich in magnesium, which plays a direct role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Low magnesium levels can cause leg cramps, nighttime restlessness, and slower recovery after even light exercise like walking. Iron, another key nutrient in lentils, ensures your red blood cells can deliver enough oxygen to working muscles, a critical factor in preventing that rubbery legs feeling during activity. But the benefits don't stop there. Lentils are packed with slow-digesting complex carbohydrates, which provide steady, sustained energy instead of quick spikes and crashes. This is essential for seniors because energy fluctuations can make legs feel heavier than they actually are, leading to reduced mobility and increased fall risk. Folate in lentils supports healthy nerve function, which is important because even strong muscles can feel weak if the nerves signaling them aren't firing correctly. In fact, studies published in the Journal of Nutrition and Gerontology have shown that older adults who regularly consume legumes like lentils have better balance, coordination, and lower incidence of mobility-related injuries. Lentils are also incredibly versatile. They don't require soaking like many beans. They cook in as little as 20 minutes. And they absorb flavors beautifully, whether in hearty soups, warm salads, or even cold side dishes. Their low glycemic index means they won't cause large blood sugar swings, which is especially important for seniors managing diabetes or insulin resistance. By keeping blood sugar stable, you keep your energy consistent, and consistent energy means more stability and strength in your legs day after day. Over time, a simple habit of adding lentils to your weekly meals can build a foundation for better muscle endurance, helping you walk further, climb stairs more easily, and recover faster from daily activities that once felt exhausting. Number 6. Greek yogurt with up to 20 grams of protein per cup. This thick and creamy dairy food delivers one of the most concentrated and digestible forms of high-quality protein available, making it an excellent choice for seniors working to preserve leg strength. The leucine content is particularly valuable, as this amino acid acts like a switch that tells your body to start building new muscle tissue, something that becomes more difficult after 60 because of a phenomenon called anabolic resistance. Alongside its protein, it provides calcium and phosphorus. It's minerals essential for strong bones, stable joints, and the ability to bear weight without pain or weakness. Those minerals don't just protect against fractures. They also help prevent the gradual stooping posture and reduce stride length that often accompany bone loss. Inside, live probiotics quietly work to maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a surprisingly large role in muscle health. When the gut is balanced, nutrient absorption improves, meaning the protein, calcium, and phosphorus you eat are far more likely to be used effectively rather than wasted. In one clinical nutrition study, older adults who consumed fermented dairy products regularly not only maintained better muscle density, but also showed improved reaction times and balance to critical factors in avoiding falls. Another overlooked benefit is satiety because this yogurt is thicker than regular varieties. It keeps you full for hours, helping to reduce unhealthy snacking on sugary or processed foods that can promote inflammation and further weaken muscles. It's also incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into sweet or savory meals from being topped with antioxidant rich ease to being blended into a high-protein smoothie or even used as a creamy base for sauces. Over time, consistently, including it in your diet can make a noticeable difference in how steady, strong, and responsive your legs feel when climbing stairs, getting up from a chair, or going for a long walk. Number 5. Eggs, containing all 9 essential amino acids in an easily digestible form. Eggs are one of the most complete and efficient sources of protein for preserving muscle strength, especially in the legs. A single large egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality protein, but the real power lies in its nutrient density. The yolk, often unfairly avoided, holds vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats that support muscle contractions, nerve function, and hormone production, all vital for maintaining stability and mobility after 60. Vitamin D, in particular, plays a key role in muscle performance, and deficiencies are common among older adults, often leading to weaker legs and a higher risk of falls. Choline supports the nervous system, ensuring that signals between the brain and leg muscles are transmitted quickly and efficiently. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants better known for eye health, but now recognized for their role in reducing muscle inflammation. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that seniors who include eggs in their diet have better muscle response during physical activity, compared to those who rely solely on plant proteins. Another advantage is versatility. They can be boiled, scrambled, poached, or baked into dishes without losing much of their nutrient profile. For those with reduced appetite, eggs are a practical option because they deliver so much nutrition in a small portion, making it easier to meet daily protein goals without feeling overly full. Combined with resistance exercise, regular egg consumption can help counteract age-related muscle loss, improve endurance, and make everyday movements like standing, walking, and carrying groceries feel more effortless. Over time, this translates into greater independence, reduced fall risk, and the confidence to keep living actively well into your later years. Number 4. Salmon, rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is one of the most effective foods for maintaining muscle mass and reducing inflammation that can weaken the legs over time. A typical 3-ounce serving provides around 22 grams of complete protein, which helps repair and rebuild muscle fibers damaged through daily activity. But what truly sets salmon apart is its high concentration of EPA and DHA, 2 types of omega-3 south that have been shown in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition to directly improve muscle function in older adults. These fatty acids reduce chronic inflammation in muscle tissue, making it easier for the body to activate and use muscle fibers during movement. They also improve blood flow, ensuring your leg muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients with every step. Salmon is a natural source of vitamin D, which supports bone density and helps muscles contract properly, a critical factor for balance and coordination. Regular consumption has even been linked to improved walking speed and reduced risk of mobility disability in seniors. Beyond that, the selenium found in salmon acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from oxidative stress, which tends to increase with age. Another key benefit is its versatility in the kitchen. Salmon can be grilled, baked, poached, or even canned for a quick, ready-to-eat meal without losing much of its nutrient value. Including it in your diet 2 to 3 times per week can have noticeable effects, from easier stair climbing to less post-exercise soreness, and even more stability when standing for long periods. Over time, these improvements not only strengthen your legs but also extend the years you can live independently and confidently. Number 3. Spinach, loaded with micronutrients that target both muscle strength and endurance. Spinach is far more than a low-calorie leafy green. A single cup of cooked spinach delivers a concentrated dose of magnesium, potassium, and nitrates, 3 compounds directly linked to better leg performance in older adults. Magnesium supports proper muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to prevent the nighttime cramps and stiffness that can make morning mobility harder. Potassium works hand in hand with sodium to maintain fluid balance in muscle cells, reducing the heavy leg feeling that often follows long periods of sitting or standing. But the real game changer is spinach's naturally occurring nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide dilates blood vessels, improving circulation so your leg muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients with each movement. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that older adults who consumed nitrate-rich balls like spinach experienced measurable improvements in walking speed and muscle efficiency within just a few weeks. Spinach also contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which protect muscle cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, to silent forces that accelerate muscle breakdown with age. It's versatile enough to be sautéed as a side dish, blended into smoothies, folded into omelets, or added to soups and stews without overpowering the flavor. Consistent intake helps maintain not just strength, but also stamina, making it easier to handle activities like carrying groceries upstairs, going for longer walks, or standing comfortably during social gatherings. Over time, adding spinach to your regular diet can mean the difference between feeling unsteady and moving through your day with energy and confidence. Number 2. Chicken breast, lean, versatile, and packed with around 26 grams of high-quality protein per 3-ounce serving. Chicken breast is one of the most efficient foods for preserving and rebuilding muscle strength in the legs after 60. Its amino acid profile, particularly the high leucine content, directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and strengthen muscle fibers. Because it's low in saturated fat, it delivers concentrated nutrition without adding strain to the cardiovascular system, which is crucial for seniors aiming to stay active. Chicken breast is also a good source of vitamin B6 and niacin, both of which help your body convert food into usable energy, ensuring that your leg muscles have a steady supply of fuel during daily activities. Phosphorus in chicken supports bone structure, while selenium provides antioxidant protection for muscle cells against age-related oxidative stress. Research in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging has shown that seniors with higher lean protein intake maintain significantly better mobility and leg strength than those with lower intake. Another advantage is its adaptability. Chicken breast can be grilled, baked, poached, or added to soups and salads, fitting into almost any dietary plan. When eaten regularly, it supports faster recovery after activity, helps maintain walking speed, and improves stability, all key to prolonging independence and preventing falls. Number 1. Quinoa, considered one of the most complete plant-based foods on the planet. Quinoa delivers all 9 essential amino acids in a single serving, making it a rare non-meat option that fully supports muscle repair and growth. For seniors over 60, This matters because quinoa's amino acid balance helps counteract the muscle loss that accelerates with age, especially in the legs. A cooked cup contains about 8 grams of protein, but the real strength of quinoa lies in its mineral and nutrient profile. It's rich in magnesium, which improves muscle contraction and relaxation, preventing the stiffness or cramping that can make walking difficult. Its potassium content supports proper nerve signaling to keep every step stable, while iron ensures oxygen is efficiently transported to muscle fibers for sustained energy. Quinoa is also naturally gluten-free and has a low glycemic index. It's helping to stabilize blood sugar, a factor directly linked to energy levels and endurance. Unlike many grains, quinoa is high in antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol, which protect muscle cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. Research in the Journal of Medicinal Food shows that older adults who include quinoa regularly in their diets report better stamina, longer walking distances without fatigue, and improved recovery after physical activity. Another unique advantage is its versatility. Quinoa can be served hot or cold, as a base for salads, mixed into soups, or even used as a side dish instead of rice or pasta. Its nutty flavor pairs well with both savory and sweet ingredients, making it easy to work into daily meals. Over time, adding quinoa to your diet can help your legs feel stronger, more responsive, and more resilient, allowing you to keep moving with confidence well into later years. When it comes to maintaining strong, stable legs after 60, no single food works in isolation. It's the consistent combination of nutrient-rich choices that makes the difference. From the plant-powered protein of lentils to the complete amino acid profile of quinoa, each food on this list offers a unique piece of the muscle health puzzle. Greek yogurt and chicken breast deliver high-quality protein with vitamins and minerals that directly support muscle fibers and bone structure. Salmon provides omega-3 south to reduce inflammation and improve circulation, while eggs bring essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline to keep muscles firing and nerves responsive. Spinach supplies the minerals and nitrates that boost endurance and efficiency, and quinoa ties it all together with its balance of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. The science is clear. Muscle loss with age isn't inevitable. It's manageable, and in many cases, reversible with the right dietary habits. By incorporating these foods into your weekly meals, you're not just feeding your legs, you're investing in your mobility, independence, and quality of life for years to come. Strong legs mean more than just walking without pain. They mean the freedom to keep doing the things you love, from traveling to playing with grandchildren. Start today, and your future self will thank you every time you stand, climb, or take another confident step forward.